Welcome back friends to your Techhandy channel. In this video we will see how to fix root account access denied error when trying to remote login using Putty. In most cases on fresh install Red Hat, CentOS, and similar distros remote access is not allowed by default. As you can see, when we try to SSH to the machine, it throws an access denied error. To allow access, open sshd config file under the editor. If you are using Vim editor, hit I to edit the file. Scroll down and uncomment the permit boot login and change the prohibit password to yes. Hit the escape key and type the :WQ exclamation symbol to save the file. Restart the SSHD service to apply changes and verify the service is running. Now we are ready to try SSH again using Putty. We are able to successfully log in this time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.